I want to show you how anyone can collect financial circulars and tender offers data from nsdl.com in minutes. Developers and non-developers alike can do this easily using Minexa.ai. Here I am. On the results page, the data is already showing. Next, open the extension by hitting the icon up here. With the extension open, hit the violet button, and Minexa reads the paint structure to detect the corporate filings list automatically. That quickly, Minexa figured out the full structure of this page. Now, select List Mode, or have Minexa open and scrape the detail page of each result. Stick with Continue unless a button, filter, or input needs handling before results appear. That highlighted area is your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa finds every field and is ready to extract at scale. All data is ready. Minexa figured out every field without you having to specify anything, including dates, circular titles, and tender offer details. For the technical side, click API Request. The trained scraper targets exact elements, so no full HTML parsing needed. Finalize everything by hitting Complete Configuration. Pagination is ready. Every future run goes through all pages and collects everything. Almost done. Set a frequency or connect Google Sheets. Then hit Complete Setup to save the job. The scraper is live, just hit Run. This is what deterministic extraction looks like in practice. The same input always produces the same output, making it fundamentally different from AI extraction, where results can vary between runs. Here, you can see corporate filing dates, circular numbers, and tender offer details extracted clearly and reliably. Click Export. Choose Excel to open it directly in a spreadsheet. What used to take days of engineering now takes minutes for anyone. Developers also get full API access with parallel processing and no token costs at scale.